In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson Stylus Photo RX590 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download and use these resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable for a while your antivirus, then you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download this resetter file, you can extract the file by right-clicking on the file and select Extract All. Then click Extract button here. Open the resetter folder after that and run the adjustment program files. In here, you can click Accept and you can select the manual port or you can let it by default for auto selection. After that, click Particular Adjustment Mode button here and choose Wash Ink Pad Counter and click OK. Then tick Main Pad Counter Options, FL Box Counter Options. After that, you can click Check button. The next, you can click Initialization button. After the reset is successfully, you can just click Finish and immediately turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. If you face error here, you can try to moving your USB printer into another available port on your computers. Then try to reset your printer again. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson Stylus Photo RX 590 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below. And thanks for watching.